Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mazda 3, stock number 6221. This ran from the 4th 2009 to the 10th 2013. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear taillight, right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight needs polish, right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,